What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. Sound decibels on it. It's right at 110. Alright, so we'll let you guys hear it after we put the Solo Performance. 2013 Ford Mustang 5.0 all the way from Missouri. Really beautiful car. They got some nice cars in Missouri. I like it. Anyway, factory converter there, factory converter there, factory H-pipe with a flex in the middle. Then they did a resonator delete somewhere else there. And then, like I was telling you guys earlier, he brought his own Solo Performance. We put them on for him there and there with the J-pipe so it doesn't drone. As you guys can see, look at that setup. It's pretty cool. Those J-pipes, what they do is they cross flow the air and eliminate drone. So there'll be a link in the description for the Solo Performance if we can find it for you guys. There and there. And then it comes into 4-inch chrome tips out the back. Right there and right there. There's the old loud mouse that were on it that we just took off for him. Right there. And replaced them with what he brought in. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Right there. There we go. It's louder. There's sound decibels. 123. Again. Loud, man. Oh my gosh. Heck yeah. You want to keep any of the old stuff?
No.
No, he's like, no. That sounds so good. That's how old Mustang should sound. Yeah. I like that. If you guys want to follow his build, here's his Instagram. Hit him up. Tell him Exhaust Addicts. Let you guys hear it on the inside. He's gonna do long tube headers on an X-pipe, but he's after hearing it now, he's thinking, nah, I might not do it. 13 Mustang 5.0 with Solo Performance axle band.